Well, we've had shortages of everything from toilet paper to computer chips, and now we're running out of chicken. And the fast food sandwich wars are partly responsible. Let's connect the dots.
The chicken sandwich war started in 2019 when Popeyes released a new sandwich. People fell in love and felt the need to post about it on social media a lot. Just 2 weeks after it dropped, Popeyes had to announce they were sold out. Let's just say the competitors noticed, and everyone from McDonald's to KFC launched their own versions of the deep-fried delight. Sales continue to soar despite what McDonald's describes as a tightening in the domestic chicken supply. But according to the Washington Post, we can't blame this all on the battle of the fast food big boys. Poultry companies say their biggest problem is finding labor. Some chicken processors were hit hard when COVID spread through their plants, and the pandemic has also increased the demand for fried chicken. People have turned to comfort food that's easy to deliver. Then there was the winter storm in Texas in February. It didn't just hit the Lone Star State. Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Mississippi were all affected. Big states for poultry farms. Those farmers dealt not only with the extreme cold, but also power outages, resulting in some big losses. All this adds up to a chicken shortage for all of us.